Hello everyone. Let's provide the complete solution to this problem: y to the power of 2 plus y to the power of 3 equals 12. And I want to write the one with the highest power first. So I write y to the power of 3 plus y to the power of 2 equals 12. And I already see something on my mind. From the look of things, you can tell that the real solution to this problem is 2. Because if we put 2 here, it gives you 12. But we want to get more solutions, so we cannot conclude at y equals 2. So y to the power of 3 plus y to the power of 2 equals 12 here is the same thing as 8 plus 2. No, 8 plus 4, right? So that we can express what we have on the right in the form of what we are having on the left. So y to the power of 3 plus y to the power of 2 equals 2 to the power of 3 plus 2 to the power of 2. So this is to confirm or to make us know that our y is truly 2. But then how do we get other solutions? Y to the power of 3 minus 2 to the power of 3 will be brought together. And then we have y squared minus 2 squared. This will come together. Then on the right, nothing is there again. So from here, we can apply difference of 2 squares. And then here, we apply difference of 2 cubes. Where if you have a to the power of 3 minus b to the power of 3, this is the same thing as a minus b into a squared plus ab plus b squared. So I'm going to express this in this form. A minus b becomes y minus 2. Then a squared, that will be y squared, plus ab, that will be 2 times y, and it's 2y, plus b squared, that will be 2 squared, and it is 4. Then plus, okay, this is y squared minus 2 squared. Okay, so everything is equal to 0. What do I do from here? From here, I can apply difference of 2 squares there. So y minus 2 is here. Then y squared plus 2y plus 4 is here. Then plus y minus 2 into y plus 2. And this is equal to 0. What I have done is to apply the difference of 2 squares. Now, by looking at the two sides, by looking at here and this, y minus 2 is common, so I write y minus 2 as a common factor. Then here I have y squared plus 2y plus 4, right? Then y minus 2 is out, so y plus 4 should be there. Then we have y plus 4. If you like, you can still have this in bracket. Then we equate to 0. Now, y minus 2 is the common factor. Then here now, we open this bracket and add this. So we have y squared plus 2y plus y, that would be 3y. Then plus 4 plus 4. How did I get this 4? It should be 2. Okay, it is this 2 that comes there. So 4 plus 2, that will give 6. Then we equate to 0. Now we apply 0 product rule. So y minus 2 is equal to 0. And y is equal to 0 plus 2. Y is equal to 2. This is the real solution to the problem. Now let's go back to this. We will also say that y squared plus 3y plus 6 is equal to 0. Since we are multiplying both of them to get 0, right? By the way, this is now a quadratic equation, and we will solve it by using the formula. The formula is y equals minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac. Everything is over 2 times a. Now y is equal to b. This minus b becomes minus 3 plus or minus. Then we have square root of b squared. That will now be 3 squared. Right, 3 squared over there. Minus 4. Right, we have 4 times a times c. Because a is 1 and c is 6. A is a coefficient of y squared, b is a coefficient of y, and c is a constant, which is 6. So we divide all of this by 2 times 1. So if we continue, then we have y to be equal to minus 3 plus or minus 3 squared is 9, then minus 4 times 1 times 6 is 24. So we divide this by 2 times 1, and that is 2. Okay, so we continue from here, so that y will be equal to, we have minus 3 plus or minus square root of minus 15 all over 2. Now, this is y equals minus 3 plus or minus. What if I pick out this negative and I get it as imaginary I? Then I have square root of 15. So this way, if you want to get decimal solution, you can press your calculator. Then we divide this by 2. So to continue from here, we will now break this solution into 2 because of this plus or minus. So y will now be minus 3 plus or minus. We have, okay, not this again because I already have the same step. So y is minus 3 plus I root 15 over 2, or we have minus 3 minus I root 15, then we divide by 2. So these are the two solutions from the quadratic equation. But then let's get the three solutions. Y1, which is equal to 2, and it's the only real solution, like I said before. Then y2 is equal to what we have here. That is minus 3 plus I root 15 divided by 2. Then we have our y3, which is minus 3. Okay, we have minus 3 minus I root 15. Then we divide what we have by 2. So these are the three solutions to the equation. So if you are instructed to find only the real solution, then you stop at this. But if you are to solve it completely, you will get your y2 and y3.